Exercise 3F, question number 1. Now, part F, find the coordinates of P. So we have to solve this equation. I'm going to use elimination. Going to eliminate y. I can multiply by 2. This is 2x minus 2y equal 10. 3, 1 plus 3. 1 is 2y plus 3x. Then plus 2x minus 2y equal 6 plus 10. Minus 2y plus 2y cancel out. 5x equals 16. X equals 16 over 5. Now, from 2, y equal x minus 5. Then y equals 16 over 5 minus 5. This is going to be 16 minus 25 over 5 minus 9 over 5. Now we found out the intersection point is P 16 over 5 and minus 9 over 5. So those are the two equations. This is L1 and this is L2. In question part B, they want to find the area where L1 is above L2. So L1 is above L2 from this point up to minus infinity. So the x value of this one is 16 over 5. This one 16 over 5 minus 9 over 5. So x less than minus 16 over 5, not minus x, 16 over 5. The line L1 is above the L2. You can see here L1 is above up to here and L2 is below. But from this point onwards, L2 is above and L1 is below. Three F2A, Fx equal 3x minus 7, Gx equal 13 minus 2x. The first question is, part 1 is a sketch. So this is y equal 3x minus 7. So I will just, this is y equal minus 2x plus 30. So this is the form basically. So it has a positive gradient and it will cut at minus 7. Positive gradient and it cut at minus 7. This is negative gradient. Right, so it is this one, fx going through minus 7, 0, minus 7. It is a curve, not a line. Okay. Now, this one has minus negative gradient and it will go through positive 13. 0, 13. Now I have two options. Either I can draw like this above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Now I want to determine it is above or below. For that I need to know this point. So in this point y value is 0. When y equals 0, 3x equals 7, x equals 7 divided by 3. From this one, y equals 0, 3x minus 7 equals 0, x equals 7 divided by 3. So that is 2 1 over third. So this is 2 1 over third 0. How about this one? Uh, y equals 0, 0 minus 2x plus 13. So 2x equal 13, x equal 13 divided by 2. That is 6, 6 and half. So then it is some, so this is the one, so it is 6 and half, 6 and half, 0. I can delete this one. So this is the intersection point. This is fx and this is gx. Now part 2, find the coordinate of, so I need to find the coordinate of the intersection point. Now we have to simultaneously solve this equation. Y equal 3x minus 7, y equal 13 minus 2x. Then we have to solve simultaneously and we want to get this one. So I'll work different, I mean it's the same thing. So at the intersection point, the y values are same. So fx equal gx. So 3x minus 7 equal 13 minus 2x. So 5x equal 20. 3x plus 2x equal 13 plus 7. 5x equal 20. Divide by both sides by 5. X equal 4. So coordinate of x value is 4. Then from any one you can find out the y value. So I'll go for this one. Fx equal 3x minus 7 when x equal 4, f4 equal 3 times 4 minus 7. 12 minus 7, 5. So y value is 5. Now part 3. For that, this is x equal 4 line. Now part 3. We want to find fx greater than gx. Now fx greater than gx. Now we need to find in this graph the interval which fx less than gx, which interval fx less than gx. So we can look at, okay, I'll take the random point x value, x equal minus 2. I'll draw a point, I'll draw the line, then I'll consider this point. What is this one? Minus 2 and then this is fx line f minus 2. Right? So this is again minus 2. This is g minus 2. Now which one is higher, f minus 2 or g minus 2? Now you can see that f minus 2 is less than g minus 2. Okay, when x equal minus 2, that point match. How about if you take any other value, x equal minus 4, then this is minus 4 f minus 4 and minus 4 g minus 4, then still you can see f minus 4 g minus 4. F minus 4 is less than g minus 4. You can see up to this point, if you pick up any point up to this x equal 4 less than up to x equal 4 excluding 4, you can see always you will get this one, this inequality. It means in general in this area fx less than gx. So you can tell if x less than 4, fx less than gx. When x is less than 4, fx less than gx. For your knowledge, I'll pick up another point from here. I'll take this x equal 20. So then what is this point? 20, g20. And this point is 20, f20. Now can you tell me when x equal 20, f20 is, which one is bigger? F20 or G20? F20 is not bigger than G20. Sorry, which one is F actually? That's right. F20 is lower, not lower than G20. It means F20 is greater than G20. So after 4, we don't need, after 4 up to infinity, that interval doesn't satisfy this inequality. If I wipe up, I can see that there's an inequality sign as well. Instead of inequality, then you have to write when x equal not equal less than 4, less than or equal to 4, fx greater than or equal to gx. Question number part B. Fx equal 8 minus yx and gx equal 14 minus 3x. We look at it in this way: y equal minus yx plus 8, y equal minus 3x plus 14. Both have the negative gradient. So I'm going to sketch this one. It's going to show 0, 8. This one has more gradient, so and I'm going to change we'll work out y equal minus yx plus 8. This is f curve. When x equals 0, y equal 8, x equals, so this is 0, 8, and x equal, y equals 0, uh, minus yx plus 8 equals 0, yx equal 8, x equal 8 divided by 5, x equal 1, 3, 5 in between. So this is 0, 8, and this is uh, 1, 3 over 5, 0. So this is going to be the f curve, fx, and gx. We'll take this one. Y equal minus 3x plus 4 plus 14. Y equal minus 3x plus 14 when x equals 0, y equals 0, 14. So 0, 14 is going to be here. And when y equals 0, 3x equal 14, x equal 14 divided by 3. This is going to be 3. It's 4, 2 over 3. Somewhere 4, 2 over 3, 0. So this is going to be gx. Now I want to find the intersection point. So fx equal gx at this point. 8 minus y equal 14 minus 3x. 8 minus 40 equal 5x minus 3x. So 2x equal minus 6 divided by 2. So x equal minus 3. From 1, fx equal 8 minus 5x. 8 times 5 times minus 3, 8 equal 15. That is 20. 23. So this is minus 3, 23 this point. Now what is the third part? Now fx less than or equal to gx. This means fx curve below the fx curve below gx curve. Which area fx is below gx? Up to here fx is above gx, but up when it's come to here I can see fx is below gx. It means from here to here. So the area we need minus 3 greater than x great minus 3 minus including 3. So this is the area we need in terms of x x greater than or equal to minus 3. Part C, the sketching part. This is y equal x square. So we want to shift up by 5. when x equals 0, y is 5. You can look at that way as well. And this is minus 2x plus 5. X equals 0. When x equals 0, it's going through this point. And this is minus, it has a negative gradient, this kind of curve. So this is fx, this is gx. Now we need to find those two intersection points. Already we know one is 0. Now fx equal gx. You can remember, you are familiar with in this one, y equal x square plus y minus 2x plus y. So I'll make y equal a equal b, a equal c, then b equal c. Likewise now x square plus 5 equal minus 2x plus 5. So same thing here. Now fx gx I am making equal fx equal gx. So x square plus 5, 5 to 5 cancel out, x square plus 2x equals 0, x is common, x plus 2 equals 0, x equals 0, x equal minus 2. Now you can see one point already there. The other x value is minus 2. So this is minus 2. We need to find the y value. When we can substitute 21. So fx equal x square plus 5. When x equal minus 2, f minus 2 equal minus 2 square plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9. This is going to be 9. And now we need to find the third part is fx greater than gx. Which area that fx is below gx. So this is fx, this is gx. Fx is below gx is this. Fx is on top, this is gx. So minus 2 to 0. So the relevant answer is minus 2 greater than or equal to 0.